I'm like so totally angry. Look at me. Oh, we're going. I'm so angry. Oh my gosh. You are angry. I am most angry because I am a llama. And I'm causing drama. You don't look angry. You look happy. I'm red. I am a llama. That's gonna kill you. Why aren't you a shark? Then we would be twinsies. But look at my eyes. I am like perfection. How did you win? Well, anyways, I don't care. I'm Daredevil Spooky Leopard, and I won second. And I got 2 votes. All 3 of us got 2 votes. Fuzzy Funny Bunny. Fuzzy Funny Bunny. Oh, I love this! Sorry, I love this one. You have to be happy llama. No sad llama, mentally disturbed. Super llama, drama llama, big fat mama llama. Yellow tie, I am happy. Happiest llama you'll see in your life. Happy llama, sad llama, mentally disturbed llama, super llama, drama llama, big fat mama llama. Llama, llama, llama. Who is this big llama? Causing all the drama. I'm gold. Cause I'm happy. Make you feel like a room without a roof. Cause I'm happy. You look scary. I like you. Look at me. I'm sorry. I'm happy. You look creepy. I'm not that happy. Happy llama. Angry. What's wrong with your face? This bubble like covers up the llama. I'm afraid that when goats come out, that they're gonna be really small, like the llama. Llama. Large, wonky eyes. You sure do have large, wonky eyes. I am Eugene. Like a firefighter. If they have a firefighter hat, I'm gonna win this if they have firefighter hat. Just need to make that a little darker head. And they don't, but I'll wear the army helmet. I'll wear a beard because beards aren't fire hazards. Wear pirate sword. And apparels, elf bracelets. No, I'm gonna get married now. I sent a message to my friend giving her a diamond ring, and I said, "Will you marry me?" And it changed the message to Animal Jam Rocks, and I cried. I cry every time. Apparel. You are totally a firefighter. Hey, you copier, have you seen my screen? Were you looking at my screen, bruh? Bruh, don't look at me. Don't do that. Oh, sorry. I keep thinking this is like Screencastify Lite when you can go on other tabs. I was just watching some Animal Jam vines. What? No one voted for me. I had potato chips. No, Cecil Llama. Oh no, I'm Cecil Llama. No, I'm not even trying. Like if I try, I'll be sad. The shiniest! Oh no, I can be shiny. I just threw a pencil across the room. Or should I say, pen across the room. Oh my gosh. Wear that. Come yellow. I am so shiny. Oh, look at me. I'm so shiny. No, I'm not so green. I'm so shiny. I am like so shiny. so shiny. Shiny, shiny. Shiny, shiny. I am a shiny llama. Shiny llama. Do you know what a shiny llama is? That means a llama, dude. It's shiny. Head. No. Neck. And back to neck. Noozle fennel. I don't even know what that means. Noozle flannel. What's a noozle flannel? You look the same every time you're wearing a unicorn horn, so I vote for you. Look at the llama. It's a beautiful, shiny dragon. Yeah, I win! Llamas forever. Llamas forever. Llamas forever. Ever. Oh, forever. Ever. Never. Change to you. Most like a leader. I can be a leader because I'm so leaderific. Let's just go to my main look then. If we're gonna be a leader, we are gonna be me. We are gonna be a demon with my hair totally sticking out. I'm gonna wear a beard. Cause I totally wear beards. Oh no, I just dropped quarters everywhere. There we go. I am pretty. Let's see, is there anything better? Oh yes. I'm going with the chicken. I need to find all the quarters I dropped because I had 8 quarters now. Ouch! I only have 2. Isn't that weird? I dropped them all. My cat's finally trying to hurt me now, which I'm happy about. Weirdly, I am very happy about my cat trying to hurt me now. Because lately, she hasn't been wanting to, bite me at all. No! I voted through my face. I'm confused on what happened. No, I got kicked out of the game! I got fuzzled! Leaving. Man. Yeah, my fuzzy llama. I found my LPS glasses. Ah! Ew, that smells gross. Ew, cheese. It smells gross. I hate it. See, this is what I needed. You'll have to try your one. Okay, let's see. Let's make the best outfit ever. This will go down in history. Do 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 do. Me, freaking dream. I'm so pretty. Look at this big llama. Who's a big piece of poopy? Yeah, I wish I could save this outfit forever. Look at this llama. Oh, you have bloody poop. Oh my goodness. You have bloody poop. I just look like a big piece of poop. Yeah, I'm done. Well, I'm just gonna wait, because look at this. Surprise item. Yeah, I only have 30 seconds left, so. Big fat llama. Do you like llamas? Because I do. Comment down below if you like llamas. Also, please subscribe and comment and like this video. And if you subscribe, you get more Animal Jam videos. Because I make Animal Jam videos. And bye. Also, I will talk to you later. TTYL. Bye.